Hi guys, back again. Happy Friday. So today we'll be doing an awesome dish. But before we get into that, I want you to quickly go over to Faces by Tash YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, comment. Our content is great. So wonderful. So today we'll be making plantain arepa. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna get a ripe plantain, one that is not overly ripe. I'm gonna cut that up and I'm gonna have that boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna add these plantains to the boiling water. And as I said, I'm gonna boil these for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're soft enough to crush. Great. So I've added all the plantains to the boiling water. So once these are boiled and soft enough, I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna have these crushed. As I said, about 10 to 15 minutes. And how do you know that these are ready to be taken out? Once you can push your knife and it goes right through without any hassle, then you know they are ready. So I'm just gonna take these out. I'm gonna take these out of the skin and I'm gonna have these crushed. So I've added this to my bowl. I'm gonna take a fork and I'm gonna have these crushed. You have many methods of crushing these, but I prefer to crush them with a fork. Why? It's because I don't want to crush them all the way out. I want to crush them that they leave the particles, so you can, because plantain gives you that ripe taste or that sweet taste when they're ripe, and you want to get that in the arepa. So once they are crushed out to where you want it to be, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to add a cup of flour, a quarter cup of cornmeal, and a teaspoon of salt. Once I do that, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stir everything together. Great. So once I stir everything together, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some shredded cheese. Great. And I'm also going to stir this together as well. You can add any cheese you like. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix this together by adding some water. And you're going to mix this together until it looks like this. So you want to get it not too soft and not too hard, right? So you want to get it in that in between where you can roll them together, but they're not too hard as well. So once I go ahead and roll them together in a ball, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes so they can be easily handled, because you know they're going to be quite soft and hard to handle. So you're going to put these in the fridge. Once you take them out, they should be a lot easier to handle, and you can just go ahead and press these down and get them as flat as you like. Great. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add these to my skillet and have these fried. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by melting some butter. And why I use butter is because the butter gives a great flavor, and you want the arepa fried with great flavor. So once it is fully dissolved, right, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to add your arepa, right? So as I said, they are a lot easier to handle after you put them in the refrigerator. So you just get something flat, just fry them off and fry. Great. So you want to get these golden brown. That's how I like it. So I'm gonna fry these until they're golden brown on both sides. But it depends on how you like it. If you want to get them crispy and brown, it's up to you. So I'm gonna fry these golden brown. And once they're golden brown, I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out. So guys, they're looking lovely already. Great. So I'm gonna serve this today with simple omelette, right? So I love my omelette with a lot of brown seasoning, like tomato, onion, scallion, and so forth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and season the egg that I already beat up, and then I'm gonna add my vegetables to that, and I'm gonna mix everything together. Some people saute these before, but I like it this way. Great. So guys, I've gotten them to where I want to be. They're golden brown and they're looking lovely, and I can tell you they smell lovely as well. Guys, look at that. They're looking awesome. They're wonderfully brown. Great, guys. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my omelet done. As I said, I like mine with a lot of cheese and all the vegetables in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get that done. Great, guys. So this is the finished dish. It looks lovely. Look how golden brown they are. The omelet is very colorful looking and very nice. And I'm gonna have this with a little, vegetable on the side, which is great for you as well. So guys, tell me what you think about them. They're looking so awesome. So guys, just go ahead, comment, tell me what you think. If there is any dish that you'd like us to try, tell us. Guys, don't be afraid. Remember to subscribe, like, just make this video go viral. And thanks for watching again, guys.